What are the legal steps for a known sperm donor? When considering a known sperm donor, it's crucial to understand the legal steps involved to protect everyone's rights and responsibilities. This process is especially important in the context of assisted reproductive technologies. First, consulting with legal professionals who specialize in reproductive and family law is essential. An experienced attorney can help draft a legally binding agreement that fits your specific situation and complies with local laws, which can vary significantly. Next, it's important to draft a comprehensive legal agreement. This document should clearly identify all parties involved, including the intended parents and the donor. It must outline the purpose of the sperm donation for assisted reproduction. Key elements to include are the donor's consent to provide sperm solely for reproductive use, compliance with necessary medical testing, and a waiver of parental and financial responsibilities. This waiver ensures that the donor will not have any legal parental rights or obligations toward the child. Additionally, the agreement should specify any limits on the number of families or children conceived from the donor's sperm. Medical screening is another vital step. The donor must undergo thorough medical and genetic testing to meet the standards set by the Food and Drug Administration and the Fertility Clinic. This includes tests for infectious diseases like HIV and sexually transmitted infections, as well as genetic conditions. Proper screening is essential to protect the health of both the recipient and the future child. Addressing parental rights and custody is also crucial. The legal agreement should explicitly state that the donor relinquishes any parental rights, allowing the intended parents to assume full legal parentage. Depending on local laws, this may involve additional steps, such as second parent adoption or court orders, especially for non-traditional families or same-sex couples. It may also be beneficial to consider psychological counseling for all parties involved. Some programs recommend or requiring evaluations to discuss expectations and future contact. This ensures that everyone understands their rights and responsibilities, fostering a supportive environment. Following the protocols of the Fertility Clinic for sperm collection and use is another important step. Known donor sperm may be subject to quarantine periods and repeated testing before it can be used. While some clinics may waive quarantine for known donors, it's essential to understand and accept any associated risks. Lastly, maintaining records and agreements for future reference is vital. Keeping copies of all legal documents and medical records can be important for any future legal or medical needs, including questions about donor identity or health. In the context of fertility and endometriosis, these legal steps are particularly relevant. Individuals or couples managing endometriosis may seek known sperm donors as part of their assisted reproductive treatment options. Ensuring legal clarity supports their family-building goals while safeguarding all parties involved. In summary, the key legal steps for a known sperm donor include obtaining specialized legal advice, creating a detailed donor agreement, ensuring thorough medical screening, and following clinic protocols for sperm use. This approach minimizes legal risks and supports ethical, informed reproductive care.